Hi, we'd like to thank WheelX for sending us these aluminum truck ramps so that we could try these out and give you our opinion about these. And my husband does really like these, and we'll show you why. So they come with these gloves that have kind of the grippy inner palm so that they're easier to grab things. Like I said, these are aluminum, so they're lightweight, and you can probably tell he's just moving them around quite easily. Each one has the carrying handle, the black there in the middle, and then there's the black Velcro strap so that you can unfold it and use it. So each of the ramps also comes with a tie down strap. So the tie down strap just kind of ensures that you've got a little bit more stability um, for slippage and things like that. And so how you do it then is you wrap it around the ramp, and then you're going to secure it or tie it down to the tow hitch eyelets so that you can then make them just a little bit more secure by being tied down like that. So these are aluminum. They are very lightweight, but they are sturdy. They hold 1,800 pounds, 1,800 pounds. So not only can you use these for a lawnmower or a snowblower, but you could also use these for something more heavy duty like a motorcycle or a go-kart. And then it's also nice that there are two. You can put them closer together. You can move them further apart, just kind of depending on what type of equipment or small vehicle you are loading. Um, it has that flexibility to match the wheels of whatever it is that you're going to load. So here in a moment, we're going to show you a little bit better picture of that. Now he's just doing the other side, unfolding it, and he's going to tie it down with the tie down straps. So now he's showing you the same thing, only in a little bit wider view. He's so that you can see the entire ramp, and he's also working on the tie down straps too. He's got his lawnmower there, and he's showing you that it's quite easy to push that lawnmower up into the bed of the truck. And so then also he's it's sturdy enough. Like I said, it'll hold 1,800 pounds, so it can take, withstand his weight quite easily as he goes up or down. And like I said, it has those crossbars to increase the stability. And so then when you're done, you just unhook the tie down straps like he's doing and fold them up, rebuckle the Velcro strap, and throw them back in your truck or whatever you use to transport them. They're very mobile, very easy to use, very easy to move around, very sturdy, and he highly recommends these. He'll use these a lot.